So how to use Saturn app? What is it? Just before the start of the school season, this app is in the top charts in US. As you can see, it's like number 3 in social networking. So yeah, and like globally is among top 10 apps right now. So yeah, what this app is about? So this app is about schooling, and it's mostly for for people, for students, for teenagers who are in the school. And it provides some really cool features. It's kind of like social media for school, and it makes your school experience much more fun and also much more productive. So let's just see on their website what that app is about. So Saturn simplifies chaotic high school schedules by connecting students with the people and information that matter most. The app helps students keep track of where they need to be and when. Students can also share their schedules with their friends to see who is in their classes and when their friends are free. So what does the app do? So there are different functionalities and all of that. So let's just open up the app. Here is how it looks like. So it's super easy to create an account. You just need to enter a phone number. It only works in US, so only I think US phone numbers are accepted at this moment, as I understand. And then also you can just sign in with your Snapchat account as well. So you can just connect your Snapchat. Then after that, you receive confirmation code to your phone number. I need to say that when I just tried to sign up for the sake of this tutorial, like the confirmation code can take some time to arrive. There are some weird bugs, to be honest, and sometimes it's not instant. It can take like 20-30 seconds to arrive, and some people just can't sign up this way. But then eventually it works, so you just need to wait. But anyhow, you just sign up here, and then the next step, you need to add your school. So Saturn app is already in more than 16,000 schools. It's not in every school in US, but it's getting in more and more schools. And the idea is that, that's the another thing, that your school needs to be kind of active on Saturn, because if you're one or two people there and nobody else, then it's not that fun. But then if your school is there, so like if there are like, 100-200 people in Saturn app from your school, then it kind of starts to make sense. So then you can just share your schedule. You can see actually your calendar, what's happening in the school when there is like summer break, when there is advisory, when there are like lunches, like we can some all of the things like that. So usually when you just sign up for the school, you will have like sometimes you won't have a schedule, sometimes you have a schedule, and then if there is a general schedule, you will see things like advisory, lunch, and that's it. But then you can also add your own classes. So you can just share your schedule, and then you will find out who is in your class and all of that. Oops. So that's not that. But what you need to do, you need to add classes. So you just go to your classes list, select a period where you want to add it. Select the class which is available in the school, and then just select what you need to add there. Like you can see some different classes. You can just add French, for example. Then class has no teacher, but you can just select, for example, just like one teacher. You can add teacher, no teacher, and then here's, for example, just quick guide how to add your classes. The grid represents your schedule. Tap a bubble to start. That's what just we did. Pick your class, pick your teacher, finally confirm your periods, and move on to the next class. And then you can just, for example, say class has no teacher. Then you can just add when it's available: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can, for example, yeah. And then you can also add room if, and then save class. So this is just like a tutorial. This is not real, but I'm just showing you around. And then you can just see your classes list. So already I added like 2D visual arts, French, acting, and that's basically the idea. So yeah, then you will see, for example, that in your school there is, like, for example, summer break, 29 days left until, you know, starts of the class. You can then easily share this on Snapchat to your friends, and then your friends can reach out to you on Saturn app and all of that. Then in the second tab you'll just easily see your calendar, what's happening, all your classes. You can also add some event, you can invite some guests, location description, and yeah, just, but that's not your class. Then that can be some, you know, some event that you add them in some other social media apps, but just around your school, and you're connected to the school, I guess. And then also you can just tap some new task, uh, like that. You can just add a photo, you can add some due date or something like that. And then you can just add personal task, or you can add this task to specific class. And then yeah, you can then just add your task. You will see a nice completed list as well. So also it's the kind of like a project management tool for you while you're in the school. You can also see here your events in the yeah, in the top right and top left. You will see your tasks. Then you can just navigate through different dates. Then bulletin. So yeah, again, here you will see your all school posts, share events for a class, sports and arts with the whole school. This is basically, you know, in school, whatever, in colleges, they just have these whiteboards where there are all the different news events and stuff like that. So you can just kind of pin some events there. But like here you just have that virtual digital. There can be some kind of ads, some, you know, some basketball classes, whatever. And then you can also add your own event from here. That's what we did earlier. And then we also have like people. So this can be people who are kind of in the school. And then you can also tap add friend. You can try to DM them. A messaging feature was just added in the app, so you can try to do that. Then there is block and report feature. You can block, report, you can add as a friend from here. So yeah, that's what it is. Also, if you want, you can just invite people to Saturn app, invite your friends to this app, yeah, if you're not on the app yet. However, Saturn app is not available yet on Android. Unfortunately, if you go to the Google Play Store and try to search for Android, like just for Saturn app, it's not here. I don't know when it will be available, but it's just a bit disappointing that it's not on Android, because not everyone has iPhone. And like, you know, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, this app wasn't that viral, but this year Saturn app is really taking off, seems like that. And it's already in the top charts, and the absence of Android app means that literally like half of the students can't use this app. So I think they definitely need to add this Android support SAP, because they're just losing customers and users. So then again, in the FAQ, we can just double check which features are there. So schedule, share, and keep tabs on your friends and what they're up to. So yeah, you can just schedule your class, share your class schedule. Chat, we recently launched messages, so you can chat with your friends, classes, and groups. So that's, you just seen how to DM. Manage your to-dos and assignments all in one place with tasks. Lunch waves, see who is in your lunch and quickly get in touch to make plans to meet up. Use your school provided Google Microsoft to log in, so you can just, you know, secure a community and just verify your account. notifications. So yeah, again, like then if you go to your profile on top left, then you will see your classes. Or then you can just share your schedule on Snapchat. You can see your friends. You can also tap to add bio and edit website. You can allow everyone at your school to see your schedule. That's what you can do. You can change profile picture, but your profile picture is basically synced from your Snapchat quite often. Here you can enable notifications from this app if you wanna, and then also you can edit profile. There is text support, FAQs, sign out, and then there are more options where you can just tap to delete your account. Yeah, if you delete your account, that is permanent. You will need to recreate your account. I think if you just deleted your account, you can't just easily sign back in and then your account will be restored. If you delete your account, then yeah, it's deleted. You need to start over. But you still can create an account with the same phone number. Just all your friends, all your schedules, everything will be lost. So it'll be just quite careful. It's not like, on Be Real, for example. Other apps, if you delete your account and log back in during 14 days, you're just good, everything restores. Here, it seems it's not the case. But that's what it is. That's just like the app. Again, it's not available on Android, but at least if you have iPhone, give it a try. If you're starting, this year in school in US, there's definitely an app to try out. It can simplify your life and add some social element to it. And then yeah, also if you just on the Now tab scroll to the bottom, you can see your friends. You can maybe see and accept friend requests somewhere from here. You can just manage friends from here. Edit school schedule. You can just do that from here. Edit your own classes and invite friends. So that's what it is. Hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.